हाय पारस जी, वेलकम टू आवर रैडिगो शो। कैसे हो?
Hello, good morning, Rinki. I am very fine, and thank you for inviting me for this podcast. And looking forward for a healthy, nice chatting between us.
Yeah, actually, I'm really excited talking to you. And first and foremost, I really want to thank a common friend विकास जी। उनकी वजह से ही हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर पा रहे हैं एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हिम एक्चुअली आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट योर बुक ऑल्सो एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एक्चुअली बॉट योर बुक एंड उसको पढ़ने के बाद मुझे ना मतलब काफ़ी कुछ है ना अपने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होते हुए नज़र आ रहे थे एक्चुअली। ये ना स्टार्ट कैसा हुआ था ना हमारा कन्वर्जेशन, मैं विकास जी से ऐसी बात करती रहती थी कि स्पिरिचुअल पाथ में आई एम राइट नाउ इन माई स्पिरिचुअल पाथ, है ना। तो मैं उनको पुश कुछ बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछती रहती थी। तो उन्होंने ना मेरे को बोला कि ये ना ट्राई टू रीड दिस बुक। आई मीन मैंने उनको पूछा कि ये आप इसके वीडियोस बनाते हो, कैसी है ये बुक? तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये ना आप इसको पढ़ो, इट विल बी रियली हेल्पिंग यू विथ योर क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल। तो दैट्स हाउ आई केम अक्रॉस योर बुक एंड उसको पढ़ने के बाद मुझे बहुत सारे जो मेरे बेसिक्स क्वेश्चंस होते थे ना, जैसे कि सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन क्या होता है, इनवर्ड जर्नी क्या होती है, और कैसे हम हमारे जो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते रहते हैं दिमाग में, उसको आप कैसे डील कर सकते हो। तो मैंने ना ये पतंजलि योग सूत्र का पढ़ा था, 8 लिम्स ऑफ योगा। तो ना उसमें जैसे ही स्टार्ट होता है यम नियम से स्टार्ट होता है वो। तो ना मैं अपने स्पिरिचुअल पाथ में हूँ, तो मुझे ना आपकी बुक है ना एज इन ना यम नियम टाइप सा एक फाउंडेशन बना देती है कि इफ़ यू आर लाइक गोइंग इन टू योर स्पिरिचुअल पाथ, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स you need to have it on first hand. That I mean it is like solving that kind of thing, like making a foundation of it. तो मेरा ना पारा जी आपसे ना सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन मेरा यही होगा, या मुझे सबसे पहले आपसे ये जानना है कि आपका माइंडसेट कैसा है अभी, और आप कैसे हो अभी, आपकी लाइक हाउ यू फील, हाउ यू डू योर डेली थिंग्स एंड ऑल, लाइक हाउ इज़ योर माइंडसेट?
Rinki, आपने दो बार बोला कि I am on a spiritual path. So actually, I am also on a spiritual path. It is not like that I have accomplished and so I am still evolving. So as of now, actually, the I'm taking one supplement question to this question. Actually, I was a very normal, ambitious guy until 2009 or 10. And then, after sudden death of my grandfather, I started to think about the concept of spirituality. And so I will come into all those points.
Yeah.
But you asked for as of now, what is my condition?
Yeah, what is
So
your
this
like
book I
mindset?
wrote. This book I wrote in 2017. I think it got published during Corona time on Amazon and Flipkart.
Yeah.
And even after this book, my journey continued. And now I can say I am in a peace. I am in a calm state. I see the world as a beautiful place because when you're inside got beauty or calmness, you see outside as the same. It's a mirror.
Hmm.
As you are inside, you see outside as the same manner.
Yeah.
Because uh, so because it is a relation. When we are having chaos inside, then we see chaos outside also. It's not opposite because outside is not in your control. That get changed.
Yeah.
That get changed. That sometimes high, sometimes low, sometimes negative, sometimes positive. But once you are fixed inside, then you see everything like in the same manner, and that same manner is beauty and calm.
Yeah.
It is not like some ugliness or something. So I'm very happy,
Okay.
and my daily routine is all set. It's like waking up at 6 o'clock, then sending children to school, going to office, coming back, and relaxation and some workout, yoga, meditation.
Wow.
So it's all set.
या द रीज़न यू नो व्हाट द रीज़न व्हाई आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज ना हमें ना बहुत बार ये लगता है कि हम लोग है ना ये जान लेंगे तो हमारी लाइफ है ना बहुत ही औसम हो जाएगी मतलब हमें को ना एक एक पता नहीं क्या मिल जाएगा ऐसा तो इसीलिए ना मैं भी जब स्टार्ट कर रही थी ना तो मुझे मुझे यही क्यूरोसिटी होती थी कि या मैंने ना ये अगर बुक पढ़ ली या ये मैंने अचीव कर लिया तो मेरी लाइफ है ना एकदम ही बहुत ही सुंदर हो जाएगी बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट आई मीन वी स्टिल हैव टू गो थ्रू बैड फेजेस हैप्पी फेजेस एंड ऑल स्टफ लाइक दैट राइट तो इसलिए मैंने ना ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि जानो कि आप मतलब हाउ डिड यू मैनेज ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ एंड हाउ थिंग्स आर गोइंग विथ यू तो या
Actually, you're right because when you are in path of seeking or you are at starting or intermediate level, then a factor always follow you or haunt you. That
hmm
if I will do this, then that will happen, which I'm waiting for.
yeah
So that you keep chasing on the things, and it doesn't happen.
yeah
You always it always boomerang. You come back to the original situation or original mindset, which you are carrying from so long time.
yeah
If you believe in rebirth, then I can say which you are carrying from eternity. So uh, luckily, and I face the same situations. You can't guess or estimate what didn't I do.
hmm
I did everything, and I was like same hopeful. If Paras, if you do this thing, if you read this book is treasure. If you
hmm
read this, then our problem solved. You are
yeah
enlightened.
yeah
So I did so many things. I pursue it so badly, and I told you 2009 I started it, and by 2020, even by 2024, now I'm in a situation when I can say that my that personage has stopped. I have like attained it up to a good degree, or I have attained it. So this 14 years journey was like same as you mentioned. And for this podcast, I hope who will see it
yeah
are will be able to relate to it. I don't want to portray myself as somebody who has achieved it something. I will rather focus on the seekers, and I would rather focus to guide them.
yeah
If I will be able to help a bit to any seeker, that I will take as an achievement. There is no point talking about my achievement. There
yeah
is point talking about hurdles. There is point talking about the questions which are very general but very problematic. So there, if I can be helped, I would be very delighted to answer those things.
yeah
So yes, you're right. It's like a your mirage or something you are chasing or you are not getting it. But
yeah
believe me, once you are on a path, definitely you will attain it. That is the beauty of this spirituality or this physical word is different. Spirituality is about mastering the things.
yeah
Once you master yourself, then you can master anything if
yeah
you desire to
yeah
desire for something.
yeah
So that is thing, of course, I want to mention. So you
yeah
can start your question.
yeah
Uh,
so Paras,
so
my first question would be, how did you come up with this book? I mean, what brought you to this write this book? And like, I mean, I just want to know what is your story? Like, how did you come up with this idea of 7 billion objective? I know you have written this book like 7 or 8 years ago. तो तब 7 बिलियन की पॉपुलेशन थी बट 8 बिलियन हो चुके हैं आज के टाइम पे तो हाउ डिड यू कम अप विद दिस आइडिया ऑफ 7 बिलियन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स
of course, 8 billions or 9 billions, that doesn't matter. It is
हम्म
relevant with same intensity at any
या
time.
दैट्स सो ट्रू
But yes, actually, in my personality, uh, before 2009, I was like ambitious. I have like a very means bubbly life, meeting people, socializing, leadership. So I I prepared for UPSC and India exam for civil
Oh,
services,
wow.
and then I was part of a political movement also called Youth for Equality.
Hmm.
But there was when I started to think that if I want to go further, I need clarity of thought. I need to know many things which I don't know. Only thinking or desiring will not yield the thing.
Yeah.
So for that matter, I start reading a lot about the civilization, about the psychology, and then suddenly my grandfather passed away. So
Yeah.
that triggered me that uh, knowing the truth is must. It's not a necessary, it is a must because I don't want to live life accidentally. That
Yeah.
if happiness is coming, I am happy. If sadness is coming, I am sad. So is there is something missing? I am so I started doubting many things. I like challenging my belief since then for many things. I started reading, and I must mention that I read Buddhism a lot. I read Osho a lot, Jainism a lot, Gita. Even didn't leave Quran and Bible too.
Oh.
So I was pursuing truth at that time,
Hmm.
and so a lot of material just conjured up in my mind. So I think I at that time in 2016 I thought it will be very much useful for the youth because I at the time I had something which was uh, which was for me at that time was truth
Hmm.
and should be known by all others. So I started writing about that thing, and finally I realized this could be a book. So matter was huge with me, but I just condensed it into 65 page, I think,
Hmm. Yeah.
and name also I choose accordingly that it could help all humankind. But
Yeah.
there was a compassion towards every human being who lives in earth. There was a effort that everyone can be benefited from my effort and from my search. So after writing this book, this could not be over for me. It just continue because every path take you to one specified destiny.
Yeah.
Not path are same for everyone, not destiny are same for everyone.
Hmm.
So now I again mentioning 2024 only, my those persons or those helplessness vanishes. I just got in a state when no outer thing affect me. Only my inside has become so strong or so calm and nothing outside make any disturbance inside me.
Hmm.
So I'm in a position I was not ready to face anyone. I wanted to keep it with me.
Hmm.
Like, I was thinking like when I will be some older monk type, then I will start facing people or but somehow I got courage and because and you come in touch.
Yeah.
So I thought that it should go, it should emanate.
Yeah.
And objective I have told you. My objective was simply that if I could help any one, two, three, 10 seeker
Yeah.
anyway.
Yeah. No, rightly said. I mean, we often think that key if we'll keep all this knowledge to ourselves, and most of the time it happens that when you gain some knowledge, you don't want to like speak out. You don't want to
Yeah.
like talk it out. You just want to stay silent. I think that's the stage when it comes, when you gain a lot of knowledge about the truth. And when I'm talking about the truth, it's like very subjective also. We'll come to that point also. But I think now at this point of time where we are at this 2024, we need to let it out, which is like really good and which is gonna help people also. So I mean, I really like your thought that you are coming up and talking about this stuff because these needs to be spread out. We cannot just sit and get our things like just have knowledge and die on it. So, Paras, when I was reading your book, in the first few chapters, I got to know about that you talked about. Actually, when we were talking offline also, so you were talking that there are three phases of people's life. So, in which you have mentioned that at first stage, people like there are one kind of people where they say that they don't believe in God.
Okay, I take it up. I know the question here.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So
I
if you
take
can
it up.
just talk about
You're
those
allowed.
things, because I'm in third condition, so I want to know more about it, and I think this is gonna help a lot of people also.
Actually, spiritual seeker, God, Bhagwan is a very important topic.
Yeah,
And so we were talking that how to be sure about it or how to comprehend that concept of God
yeah,
and if he's there, what is his effect on us? What is our relationship with him or her, whatever we take it. So actually, I told you that there are three category of people. One who believe in God. For them, life is very simple. They
hmm,
believe Him. They surrender. I assume they surrender themselves to Him because believing is about surrendering yourself.
yeah,
So they take everything as His will. They enjoy and they surrender or attribute everything of them to God only. So their life is sorted out, nothing to pursue for them.
yeah,
And second is who doesn't believe in God, who don't believe in God, I must say. So actually, for them, life is also simple. They believe, they treat life logically.
hmm,
What they find correct, they do. What they don't find correct, they don't do. They are like they like believe in themselves very much. So for them also somehow life is sorted until they face very difficult time. I must say that nobody face that difficult time. So okay, we leave that thing.
hmm.
And third category of like spiritual seekers and like you or me
Confused, yeah,
who are confused and who God hai, nahi hai, what is our relationship with him,
yeah,
या हम ही गॉड हैं या हमारे अंदर गॉड का कुछ अंश है फ्रैक्शन
yep,
and there are lot of question.
hmm,
Even if you read my book, I have raised so many questions. I didn't
hmm,
answer means many of them
yeah,
because I want to like uh, I want to in, provoke the reader to search for
so,
it. I want to rope those questions in readers' mind rather than answering those. So yes, you're right. So for them, actually, because I believe they were confused, like from previous time also or this time also. That's why they are coming at that point where there is no certainty about being or about not being. So, but they are the person who just need to work on this path. Definitely,
hmm,
we can avoid other two categories. They don't need to walk in this category. They can live simple life as life comes. They can, but this third category need to work on them. And definitely, this is an indication because if I bring Buddhist philosophy in this question and in my endeavor to answer this, there is a category of Bodhisattva.
hmm,
Bodhisattva are the category who aspire to be both,
yeah,
who aspire to like light their wisdom. So they are those category, and so
hmm,
they don't should be disheartened. They should be like take it as a challenge and doing their all necessary work like earning, job, family. In addition to those necessary work, they should pursue spirituality, and they will definitely, as I have told, they will definitely attain it. Means not means their destiny is they just little far away for some maybe 1 month, 2 month, 1 year, 2 year. So they should definitely give it a try
hmm,
because otherwise this will keep haunting them.
yeah,
So they are the privileged people in my eye So they are confused as of now, but putting right effort will lead them to some like a good position. And
Hmm.
spirituality again is not like attaining something; it also attaining the clarity. It also expanding your wisdom. So
Hmm.
that expansion will definitely make you attain the more in physical life also. And
Hmm.
that will help you make a good relationship. That will help you attain the good career. So actually, I must add to this thing. When spirituality comes into picture, you start thinking on big terms.
Hmm.
So I have people who pursue spirituality and they change their career. They
Hmm.
thought that there are the problem which are is facing,
Hmm.
so they career in that direction. Somebody join NGO, somebody, so they make their life like more inclusive, more broader. So that was the one of the crucial benefit for spirituality.
या नो बहुत ही अच्छे से समझाया आपने। अ, तो जैसा कि आपने ना हम लोग बात कर रहे थे पहले भी बताया कि आपको ना पहले फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहिए। अगर आप इफ़ यू आर लाइक इन अ जर्नी ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल पाथ यू नीड टू बी अ गुड पर्सन फर्स्ट एंड दैट्स ऑल योर बुक talks about that how you can know yourself and how you can take a pause and reflect back on your things है ना तो ये
No,
मुझे
no, no, sorry. I don't agree to it.
you
That
don't
you
agree
should
to
be
it.
good person.
Okay.
If we put such a request, then we can't pursue it. So there is
Okay.
no conditions.
Okay.
Anybody can do start it, and there are lot of example. At least even in many even in all religions
Hmm.
where there is cruel, weak, and people turns toward spirituality and they transform them.
Oh yeah,
What
yeah.
is when if you are right from beginning you are a good person, then why transformation? What
Yeah,
transformation
yeah.
we are
In one of
talking
your
about?
chapter, yeah, you mentioned about transformation also, from I original to I transform. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Just
yeah.
talk about that transformation. और also आपने उसमें बताया है कि it also depends on your surrounding. मतलब आप हर दिन हर पल चेंज हो रहे होते हो तो इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन योर जो भी आपके सामने आ रहा है या कंडीशन जैसी आ रही है हाउ यू आर कमिंग अप विथ पीपल अराउंड यू हाउ यू आर टॉकिंग टू देम और जो भी एक्सचेंज हो रहे हैं थॉट्स जो भी आप देख रहे हो आपने एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन बताई थी कि जैसी दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि
That's interesting.
वाह तो इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पे ही बात करते हैं या आई मीन आई वाज रॉन्ग एट दैट पॉइंट कि अच्छा इंसानी मतलब द रीज़न वाई आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अच्छा इंसानी बनना चाहिए स्पिरिचुअल पाथ में आने के लिए ये नहीं था बट जैसे मैंने वो 8 लिम्स ऑफ योगा के बारे में बताया था ना कि उसमें स्टार्टिंग ही यम नियम से स्टार्ट होता है उसके बाद ही आप समाधि तक पहुंच पाओगे तो वैसे ही योर लाइक थॉट प्रोसेस और सेल्फ इंक्वायरी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन अगर होगा then you'll be in a better position of acquiring the spiritual knowledge. I mean this is what I thought. I could be wrong too but I mean that thing but like after reading your book I think I'm in a better state of going into the spiritual path and I think that's why Vikas ji also suggested me to read your book and I think I'm in a better position now.
Actually, I, I agree somehow with that observation that if spirituality or if this effort could not transform you and could not make you a better person,
Hmm.
then there is no use of it. Actually, there are three things which are necessary to elevate your vibrations, and that is knowledge, right knowledge. There are plenty of knowledge, uh, bad knowledge, right knowledge, incorrect knowledge.
Yeah.
So I'm talking about right knowledge
Hmm.
and right character. That is
Hmm.
also very much necessary.
Yeah.
Okay, so means equally amount, equally important. Right character, right knowledge, and right
Action.
like devotion,
Hmm.
right? Devotion is also necessary. We
Hmm.
should not bow to every person, every deity, or everything. We
Yeah.
should know our object of devotion clearly.
Hmm.
That to whom I am sincerely bowing, I have accepted as my guru or my teacher or my God.
Hmm.
I am like caring for him. I am like sincere uh, respect for him. That gesture should be always there.
Yeah.
These three things are must, and so definitely this nobody have it right from beginning. So
Hmm.
with this help, one can attend these three things.
Hmm.
And in this book, actually, I touch upon a case where, and in my sixth or seventh chapter, I took reader through earlier six chapter to explain, and just took to seven chapter, and I just told them that the object of life should be at least to be a good person, or if we are having more effort, then to get rid of this bondage of birth and death. So
Hmm.
that is there. So yes, character is important, and right knowledge is important. So actually, like gravitation, if you know, that pull us down.
Yeah.
So these three things pull us upward.
Hmm.
They these three things makes us lighter. These three things make us beautiful.
Hmm.
These three things make us like with right vibration and high
Hmm.
vibration.
Yeah.
So,
या तो आई मीन आपने उसमें बताया कि हाउ योर सराउंडिंग ऑल्सो लाइक इफेक्ट यू एंड तो उसके बारे में आप क्या बताएंगे
yeah,
कि
yeah. Actually, surrounding or condition.
कंडीशन
Because
अपब्रिंगिंग्स
if our country is in war,
हम्म
then what our peace will do?
या
This question can arise.
हम्म
If like world there are so many problems.
हम्म
If you Google, there are 10 most problematic uh, danger to Earth, and you find out this, then there can question that how much this spiritual knowledge of a person is relevant to
हम्म
it.
या
And so and coming it to basic level, like
हम्म
in family, job something is not good,
नॉट गुड या
then how to cope it up with this help of spirituality, or
या
in family if condition you are not having good term with wife or spouse.
हम्म
So definitely that is the thing. It is a very high level discussion in that case,
हम्म
because if you study history, then you will find it out that world was never at peace.
हम्म
Never.
हम्म
Even Satyug, so-called Satyug, we see there were war between Ram and Ravan,
हम्म
and there are Agni Pariksha, and there are everything happened in Satyug, Kali Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, Mahabharata. So world was never at peace.
हम्म
And on family level, there are some condition which definitely put spouses
फ्रिक्शन
in
रहता
some
है
right mood.
हम्म
And career level also our aspiration, uh, our like satisfaction level. That all thing put you on heel. That never like put you on peace.
हम्म
What is this? This is contradictory actually.
हम्म
I
हम्म
want to look at it. That in spirituality help you to cope up with all the type of problem.
हम्म
Spirituality help you to make like aloof to it, and to better to make the better decision,
हम्म
to make like ignore the worst part of the thing, and to analyze it in a sweet manner or in a calm manner, and to take a right decision. So that is role of spirituality. So the choice of word or family or career and spirituality.
या
So spirituality is which heal your inside, which help your inside better and calm.
या
But it can't do to outside. There are having so many gurus, and though they can influence outside, but very little. Uh,
हम्म
no, even in present scenario, there are two, three war front already open. So that will keep happening. That's why spirituality matters. It's not about treating with inside.
Hmm.
If we go in higher perspective and talk about them, then it lead to you to salvation also, if you believe in salvation. Because in this book, that is, this subject is treated very beautifully.
Hmm.
Why salvation, and how salvation, and how can you be sure that it is there.
Hmm.
So definitely, so spirituality and word, in Hindi we call sansar. Sansar or moksha, both are opposite. So we
Hmm.
have to, like, at least renounce our penchant for this word.
Hmm.
Just think about it. So it is about disconnecting. What disconnection is not like leaving it. You
Hmm.
leave but beautifully, like a lotus.
Hmm.
Every, lotus. Buddha was very fond of giving
Lotus.
example of lotus.
Okay, I didn't know that. Yeah, can you explain?
Yes, yeah. His Lotus Sutra is very, very much famous and very, very good read if you have opportunity to read.
Okay.
Yeah,
What's that book again? Is it a book or like what?
Lotus, Lotus Sutra.
Lotus Sutra. Acha. Okay.
And
Um,
there is one Diamond Sutra also, Bharat Chetika Sutra. That is also very beautiful. And these two books like influence me quite a lot.
हम्म, नहीं आपने बताया कि जैसे कि अगर वॉर हो रही है तो आप स्पिरिचुअलिटी में नहीं जा पाओगे, मतलब नहीं जा पाओगे इन द सेंस आप, इंसान अगर कुछ सोच रहा है जाने के लिए भी तो वो नहीं कर पाएगा। तो ना मेरे को ना एक वो याद आता है, मार्श लॉ करके एक पिरामिड थ्योरी है। उसमें ना वो यही बताते हैं कि ना आपको अपनी पहले बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ को बैलेंस करना चाहिए, जहाँ पे कि आपकी एटलीस्ट आपको ये ना हो कि पैसे कहाँ से आने वाले हैं, बिकॉज हमारी बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ अगर जब तक फुलफिल नहीं होगी, यू कैन नॉट लुक फॉर द सेल्फ इंक्वायरी, यू कैन नॉट गो इट, राइट। आई मीन ये तो फिर वही वाली बात हो जाएगी ना, जैसे कि आपके सर पे कोई अगर एक तलवार लटकी हुई है और आपको बोला जाए कि सोचो सोचो हुए माए, तो नहीं सोच पाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा दिमाग एक जो तलवार लटकी हुई है उसी पे ही रहेगा। तो रियल लाइफ अगर एग्जांपल लें तो अगर इंसान को रेंट देना है, अगर उसका मंथ एंड आ रहा है तो उसको रेंट देना है, घर में राशन कैसे आएगा, अगर फैमिली है तो उनको खिलाना कैसे है, तो ये सब चीज़ों का अगर टेंशन रहेगा तो यू कैन नॉट गो विद द सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन पाथ, राइट। सो योर बेसिक नेसेसिटी शुड बी इन इंटैक्ट, राइट। आई मीन यू कैन नॉट गो फॉर इट।
Actually, the pyramid you're talking about, it doesn't say that first you do this, second you do this. Actually, those are the stages of one's life. So
ओके।
yes, in means with the age, that is relation to age. That initially our fight is for survival.
हाँ।
Okay, and last fight is for self actualization.
हम्म।
Definitely, in our childhood, we can't pursue spirituality. Means
या।
very rarely we have opportunity. If we have surrounding or teacher or family member, so with their influence we can do it. But actually, otherwise it is survival instinct. We just all go for.
या मैंने
And
मेरा
last
ना। हम्म।
Last, so for this, I want to quote a statement that everybody will get the nirvana or salvation. So it depends when. Only this is the crucial question. So actually, so one will have privileged position to attain it or to go for spirituality in one lifetime. So yes, of course, वो एक तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि भूखे भजन न होए गोपाला, ये लो अपनी
हाँ
कनकी
हाँ
माला।
हाँ।
तो ये है कि बहुत लोग, मतलब majority of people don't have this opportunity to pursue spirituality because they are like just involved in daily butter and bread or and those things. But on the other hand, this is also true. If you can't follow spirituality, at least you can follow gesture of compassion. That is also not less than any spirituality or any read. That basic like compassion towards other, towards animals. So that basic thing can be done without any cost or without any teaching. So that is there. So if you can't follow, you can't read, then just obey the other teachers and every nobody on this earth has said that don't do compassion. Compassion is the root of religion or any teaching. So I must say, don't fall for spirituality only.
Yeah.
Just basic compassion. That is also a good
गुड
enough.
वे या दैट्स सो ट्रू या बिकॉज मेरा ना हमेशा से ये क्वेश्चन होता था कि अगर स्टार्टिंग से ही कोई भी बच्चा या कोई भी अगर सोचने लग गया कि ये क्वेश्चन आने लगा हु एम आई अगर इसके बारे में सोचने लगा तो आई थिंक इट शुड बी अ गुड पाथ ये हमारे विवेकानंद जी ने भी यही बोला था जब आदि शंकराचार्य ने बोला था भक्ति मार्ग पहले होना चाहिए और फिर कर्म मार्ग होना चाहिए तो स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने इसको कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट किया कि नहीं कर्म पहले करो क्योंकि ये भी ऐसा टाइम है जहाँ पे आपको कर्म करने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि तब एट वॉर था हमारे देश में कोविड था ब्रिटिश रूल था सब कुछ था तो वही है सिचुएशन के हिसाब से एंड वेर यू आर एट डिपेंड्स अ लॉट है ना तो वो आपको देखना चाहिए कि आपकी सिचुएशन कैसी है एंड आई थिंक ये स्पिरिचुअल पाथ और ये सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन का ना आपको समझ आने लगेगा कि एट व्हाट पॉइंट यू कैन गो विद इट I think this is what I
Actually,
think about it. Yeah, what do you say?
yeah, yeah. Actually, many things are not in our hand
Yeah.
if you see the life. So it's not about that we are deciding which path we are going for. Bhakti marg,
Hmm.
yeah. अच्छा चलो मुझे भक्ति मार्ग सूट कर it comes automatically na.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like you are when and at what position you get start sinking.
Hmm.
So Bhakti Marg is very easy, very like very good and very easy. But that Bhakti bringing in you
Hmm.
for some is very challenging. They can't do Bhakti. They
Hmm.
just want to know why to do this Bhakti.
Yeah.
So for them, Gyan Marg is there. But for
Hmm.
everyone, Karm Marg is a thing which is must.
Hmm.
So because whatever you do, even if yogi who sits in Himalaya do karmas, they can't
Hmm.
get rid of it because
Hmm.
it is a nature, basic nature of his soul or
Yeah.
consciousness, doing or thinking, or like you can't do away with that thing. So, but this is not in our hand. If bhakti was so easy to attend, then everybody will do bhakti, and but then question will come: bhakti to which god? So
Yeah.
that is also very
That's so confusing
so.
too.
So actually, it is karma on which mark that those karma will take you. You have to follow that. I must say.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. In one of the chapter you were talking about nothingness, है ना? तो मेरे को मुझे ये जानना है कि when you were writing about that chapter ना तो what was your thought process या आप क्या सोच रहे थे या what do you think about this nothingness?
actually, as we discuss about so many things, I must say nothingness is must for a Gyan Margi. For
Hmm.
Bhakti Margi, it is not necessary. For not an who are not on any path, it is not necessary. But who want to know about it by the knowing itself. For them, this attaining nothingness is very much and very must step.
Hmm.
Nothingness is like, for example, we differentiate between less height, more height, and bright color or black color, and this type of differentiation is in the habit of the mind. So those habit you have to remove completely. That is nothingness. So you don't see anyone or anything by their appearance or by their look, and
Hmm.
you just see thing as a thing.
Hmm.
So because this habit of mind that to see things with their appearance,
Hmm.
and it will not allow you to touch that point of spirituality. So
Hmm.
that habit must go, and I am assuring you, if you try sincerely, that will go away because it is all about emptiness or sunyata and or whoever means the big name or the gods of Krishna, Buddha,
Yeah.
those have preached it. So You have to be free from any bias, prejudice. Even I must say it is up to an extent where any word means शब्द से मुक्त होता है, सबसे फ्री होना है, just was away, zero. So
ओके,
and
शून्यता।
then you see start to make see thing again. The thing will not disappear. Thing will remain there, but the way you see the thing has changed. You are not seeing the attributes, you are seeing the things. And things, how those things will look after this as you become inside. You have become, because those things create chatter, the noise. If that has disappeared, then you have become beautiful. So you will see everything as beautiful and equally beautiful. For me, it doesn't matter. You are taller. You're beautiful. Your soul. Your beauty as much as I am beauty, as much as any other person is
या।
beauty. So that nothingness has to be attained. I have guided in my book how to attain it. One can contact to me. That is must. Not for Bhakti Marg, not for any marg, but for who are pursuing it by knowledge, who they should attain the nothingness. Only then they can go further.
Hmm. So I just want to like double click on these things. So what do you mean by like, I mean, are you trying to say that कि जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते हैं कि ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, तो वो तो वही वाली बात है ना, ब्यूटी लाइज ऑन द आईज ऑफ द बिहोल्डर। तो जो उसको देख रहा है
Mm.
उसके लिए ही वो वैसा है, मतलब एवरीवन इज लाइक डिफरेंट, राइट? सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से, दैट 7 billion
No, no,
ऑब्जेक्टिव।
no.
नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। ओके।
Everyone look equally beautiful.
ओके।
It's looking like
मतलब
it
समथिंग, let me गिव यू एन एग्जांपल। फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे ये पेंसिल है, ठीक है, तो ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, बट इट कुड बी आई मीन, और मुझे ब्लैक कलर की दिख रही है, ठीक है। वही आपको ये अच्छी नहीं लग रही बिकॉज इट्स इन ब्लैक इन कलर, यू लाइक समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक वाइट इन कलर, है ना? तो वो तो ब्यूटी लाइज इन द आइज ऑफ द बिहोल्डर, राइट? आई मीन वी कैन नॉट से दैट अगर मुझे अच्छी लग रही है
yes.
तो इट वुड बी लाइक 100% श्योर दैट यू हैव टू बी लाइकिंग इट टू।
No, somehow I agree, and up to an extent I disagree also, because utilize in the eyes of the beholder, that is a true term. But actually, it lies so much in the eyes of beholder that he differentiates so much that that is not allowing him to be in peace or calm. Otherwise, I'm not talking about no living thing. No living thing, you must everyone have different perspective,
या।
like about their arrangement, the work. But living thing, at least you don't fall for like attributes very much.
या।
So that is up to an extent you can get rid of, and that will give you peace. And you know, you are not judging anyone. You are not differentiating based on appearance. And for you, every person is beautiful. You can dislike when you talk and you find out that he like the enemy of nature or humanity. Then those traits, of course, is
या।
not likable,
या।
I must say. But with the appearance, you start judging. That thing doesn't come in the mind when you attend the nothingness, for sure.
Okay, okay. Actually, I read somewhere that thoughts come and go, feelings come and go. Find out what it remains. So, is it like this that nothingness would remain? Like सब कुछ चला जाएगा, but everything, like you'll remain with nothingness.
No, no, no.
No.
In my book, I have said that in the last you discard nothingness also. So one term I use is stillness, which is like you're calm, you're doing everything, so you will remain. सब चला जाएगा. That observer will remain for sure, for forever.
Oh,
So those traits will remain, because now, if you are not attaining nothingness, you have certain traits, certain habits, so certain name, workplace, and so country, and those all of those things. And you think that I am this one, I am this one.
yeah.
But by attaining nothingness, you will realize to know who am I. So that you will be sure that this thing will remain. And now I take up the question of God also, because that may come in further talking,
Hmm.
or the question of soul also.
Hmm.
So what that remain actually, uh, this is a very beautiful thing which I didn't explain in this book, but uh, even I think if I'm sure that scientists or like doctors also say central nervous system or something.
Hmm.
So if we really, really life come as it is,
Hmm.
so we can't live even for a second, because there are so many bacteria, microbes. There are so uncertainty.
Hmm.
We can die at any moment. Our near dear one can, but we
Hmm.
have some kind of surety about the things.
Hmm.
Everyone
Hmm.
that, and we on basis of that surety we proceed in the life. We plan for the years and years, 10 years, 20 years. So what is the surety?
Yeah.
From where that surety is coming? It is out of your experience or out of the person or God. So who is inside everyone
Hmm.
equally, means some variation also there. That content, that is the thing, essence of our being,
Hmm.
which is sure. Or otherwise the relationship we have with our kids or with our wife,
Parents.
girlfriend, boyfriend,
Hmm.
so we can't live without those person, but somehow our essence knows that it is transitory. Everyone knows about it. So some very, very real things, many real things, our essence knows already.
Hmm.
We act accordingly. That essence and essence of everyone, collective consciousness, that is the word, consciousness. So actually, and now I don't want to further tell about God conscious network. I just want to say that is there. Otherwise, there chaos is there, but it is not that way it should be. If like 7 million people or 8 million people and so many elements, it could be like, and who is planning this? Who is the putting animal inside the forest only?
Hmm.
Human. So, uh, essence, our essence knows everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
And when question of surrender or question of that come, we should surrender to that essence, which
Hmm.
already knows everything.
Hmm.
So actually, no, in this earth there is nothing to worry about, because our essence, when we leave bomb of our mother,
Hmm.
so uh, did anybody guide how to live there?
No.
No, no. Our
No.
essence knew about these things.
Yeah.
So we we are very strong. We are very much cared. We are very much loved.
Hmm.
So we should be sure about the things.
Yeah.
That is like my journey. Nobody should worry. That is my message. Whatever is the condition,
Hmm.
we are so much loved, so much cared, and small hiccups like आज वो बात नहीं कर रहा, he is not talking,
Talking.
कैरियर में जॉब चली गई, वाइफ से, ये
छोटी छोटी
जस्ट
बातें हैं।
कॉल बेसिस
या।
के बारे में हम जस्ट करते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम वास्तव में बड़े इशू हमको दिखने लग जाए ना,
हम्म।
तो रह नहीं पाए 1 मिनट भी, तो
हम्म।
वो कौन टेक केयर कर रहा है? वो he knows or she knows or it knows.
या।
There's nothing to worry about.
या।
That
या।
that department is handled
या।
beautifully.
या
So
ब्यूटिफुली एक्सप्लेन।
that big department is handled beautifully. Then why to worry about the small things? Just
सो
live
ट्रू।
life happily.
या सो ट्रू, सो वेल एक्सप्लेन। या एक्चुअली बहुत ही अच्छे से बताया आपने कि हम लोग अक्सर है ना परेशान होते रहते हैं दैट ऑफिस में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, इसने मुझे परेशान कर दिया। और बट या आई थिंक देयर इज़ सम हायर पावर विच इज़ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एवरी वन, ईच एंड एवरी वन।
No, you misunderstood. High power means your
हाई पावर इज
essence. I
गॉड।
am talking about. That is your own.
या।
That is not something external to you.
या।
Yes, but that when those are connected, that makes the higher power,
या।
all essence of everywhere. And the second thing, small tensions are necessary also, because
या।
we evolve with the time.
या
If
दैट्स सो
there
ट्रू।
is a separation is written,
हम्म।
how that separation will come with the
हम्म।
tensions and with the not so likable
दैट्स
path.
हाउ वी ग्रो।
So take
या।
it easy.
हम्म।
Take it easy.
या that's how we grow actually. We got to know about, okay, आज
Yeah,
मैंने
yeah.
ऐसा किया. तो if somebody is like getting angry on it, why you did this thing, then you'll get to know, okay, this is not the way I was supposed to do it, right? या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल लेके भी बताते हैं, व्यूअर्स को थोड़ा अच्छे से समझ आएगा कि फॉर एग्जांपल
Mm,
जैसे मुझे आज यहाँ से वॉलमार्ट जाना है, अपने घर से वॉलमार्ट जाना है, एंड
mm,
इफ़ आई गॉट टू नो दैट कि यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया है. सो मैंने गूगल मैप में लगा रखा था कि यहाँ से तो ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया है, बट देर इज़ एन ऑप्शन ऑल्सो दैट आई कैन टुक अ डी टूर और आई कैन टुक अ डिफरेंट रूट एंड रीच टू वॉलमार्ट. सो वो प्रॉब्लम आई, देन ओनली आई गॉट टू नो कि अच्छा यहाँ से एक और रास्ता जा रहा है विच आई कैन टेक इट एंड रीच टू माई डेस्टिनेशन, है ना. तो वही है, प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं तो देन ओनली यू विल गेट टू नो, ओके, दिस इज द अदर सोल्यूशन विच यू कैन टेक इट एंड रीच टू योर डेस्टिनेशन. Yeah, which is so true. I mean,
oh,
we shouldn't be worrying a lot about the problems. Actually, बहुत अच्छा quote है. Worrying is like worshipping the problem.
yes, it is true. Law of
Hmm.
attraction, if you believe, you
Hmm.
worry, then worry will come more. You
Yeah.
are happy, happiness will come more.
Oh
So,
yeah. Yeah,
yes,
that's so
yes,
true.
definitely.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, as you talk
actually,
about law of attraction, can you just explain some more about it? Like, do you want to go deep into the law of attraction, or it
actually,
will be
I
all?
know only this much which I have told because I
Oh,
didn't
okay.
like tried my hand on the law of attraction.
Oh,
But
okay.
definitely, law of attraction, I must say
It
that when
works.
we say that follow the path of knowledge,
Hmm.
right knowledge,
Hmm.
that is also law of attraction.
Oh.
Because when you, it's not like you are okay. I decide I'd follow right knowledge path. So
Hmm.
right knowledge start to come.
Yeah.
That is law of attraction. No? It is
Hmm. It's like
and means.
यूट्यूब की तरह है. जैसे आप यूट्यूब में एक
हाँ,
टाइप का कंटेंट देखते हो तो आपको वही सारे कंटेंट दिखने लग
हाँ,
जाते हैं
तो
बिकॉज यूट्यूब.
डायनेमिक है ये स्टैटिक नहीं.
हम्म.
Maybe
हाँ.
some challenges come, but means definitely that will come. What you wish for, and definitely if you are happy, you will attract happy thing. If you are
हम्म.
sad, you will attract more sad part. So
हाँ.
that's why people say at least pretend to be happy, and then one day you will be really happy.
हाँ, नहीं, अगर मैं इसका न्यूरो साइंस वाला कॉन्सेप्ट लूँ ना तो वही है कि हमारा ब्रेन है ना, और हमारा जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो एक काइंड ऑफ लाइक रिलेशन में है. बहुत ही,
Hmm.
आप अगर फेक भी करते हो, स्माइल कर रहे हो, तो यू विल गेट अ ट्रिगर टू योर ब्रेन दैट यू आर हैप्पी. तो वो डोपामिन रिलीज हो जाता है, या सेरोटोनिन जो भी हैप्पी हार्मोन होता है वो रिलीज हो जाता है, इफ यू लाइक जस्ट फेकिंग इट आउट ऑल्सो. तो वो.
Actually, those neurons and that thing, they are already in learning mode. So you
हम्म.
can like bluff them.
हम्म.
In wherever the crisis, you don't weep. They
हम्म.
will forget to weep for forever. And you
हाँ.
laugh for everything, then they will start to laughing at everything. So,
हाँ.
so we can train
या.
them.
सो कमिंग बैक टू योर बुक कंटेंट्स ना, तो हम लोग नथिंगनेस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. तो अगर नथिंगनेस तो हमने समझा कॉन्सेप्ट इसका, तो अगर इसका हम और भी एक और निकालते हैं, अद्वैत जो होता है, डुअलिटी, नॉन डुअलिटी, ये सब चीज़ें, तो वो उसमें आपका क्या टेक है? मतलब हम लोग बोलते हैं, आपने बताया भी है बहुत कि डुअलिटी में यू स्टार्ट डिस्टिंग्विशिंग बिटवीन लाइक टू स्टफ, राइट? तो हर चीज़ अद्वैत है, हर चीज़ वन है, और लाइक इफ़ यू कैन जस्ट एक्सप्लेन व्हाट डुअलिटी एंड अद्वैत मीन्स.
Actually, हर चीज connected है definitely,
या.
है ना? तो so that is like non-duality है ना? लेकिन what I must say that on with my experience, up to your last breath, you believe in duality only. Don't fall for non-duality. Because duality, I must say that you treat, you think about your elevations to raise your vibration. You never assume that I have like achieved it. So that effort definitely yield result up to your last breath. So in that sense, uh, you trust or believe in duality because duality means then you start respecting. You see the difference between I and everyone. So you see that however we are connected, but we are different. If I get salvation, definitely many people will benefit, but only mm, the I will get salvation. For other, they have preferred. So that is the duality. And the
Oh.
person who have attained the salvation before, in it, like since eternity, they also attend by themselves or by. So actually, duality also help treating God different, God or like other higher power to different from you. So by that what I just want to say that उसमें बहुत कंफ्यूजन है कि वो निर्गुण है सगुण है करता है ऐसे करता है एक है दो है चार है। तो उसमें ये है कि मैं ये बोलूंगा कि until your last breath you consider him as सगुण, so that sagun means with the purity or with the like gun means with the quality. So you just worship those quality. So by that virtue, you are attaining those quality. When you are worshipping that, definitely you are attaining those inside you, and you are seeing those inside other also. So there is no clear cut answer I want to give duality and non-duality, but how it should be treated, I'm just telling about that.
या सो आई मीन वी कैन नॉट डिनाई द फैक्ट दैट कि हमें डुअलिटी से भी डील करना पड़ेगा, है ना? अगर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मेरे को बहुत ही ये चीज़ अच्छी लग रही है, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल एप्पल मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना? तो आई एम डिनाइंग द फैक्ट कि मुझे अदर फ्रूट अच्छा नहीं लगता है, राइट? तो अच्छा नहीं लगता वो आ जाता है, इवन दो आई एम नॉट इवन प्रोजेक्टिंग इट, बट वो आ जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली, राइट? अगर मैंने बोला कि ये मुझे चीज़ अच्छी लग रही है, तो इसका मतलब कि कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो अच्छी नहीं लग रही हैं, राइट? मतलब अच्छी नहीं है तो ही नहीं अच्छे लगने का फैक्ट
Many
आएगा ना।
that come in your wisdom. So your wisdom is getting stronger. Wisdom definitely like something or adore something or not adore something.
या
So that remains. You don't become dumb or like something.
या
Wisdom gets sharpened definitely. So you know what you like and you know what you don't like.
हाँ, आपने वो
Definitely.
सोल की बात करी ना कि सोल होता है तो एक चीज़ होता है, तो वही।
अब मैं भी एक बार आपको आज के लिए यहीं पे इतने
पारस जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, हमने बहुत कुछ जाना नथिंगनेस के बारे में, और थ्री कैटेगरीज ऑफ पर्सन्स के बारे में, और भी सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन, रियलाइजेशन, इन सब के बारे में जाना। तो अभी तो बहुत कुछ और आपसे बातें करनी है, सो दैट वी कैन कंटिन्यू इन अ सेकेंड पार्ट, एंड व्यूअर्स से भी जानेंगे कि हाउ दे लाइक इट एंड व्हाट ऑल क्वेश्चंस दे वांट टू आस्क ऑन माय बिहाफ टू यू। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, थैंक यू सो मच पारस जी। कैसा लगा आपका आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
थैंक यू रिंकी एक्चुअली अभी तक इट वाज इनवर्ड जर्नी आई वाज लाइक फ्रॉम 16 years just thinking or discussing with only one or two friends, so you give me a platform and our because I told you it is spontaneous, but I think I could justice to your question. I could justify some of your curiosity.
या
So I would
डेफिनेटली।
definitely look forward to interact once again with you.
या
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग एंड डूइंग दिस फॉर अस। थैंक यू सो मच पारस जी।
Thank you, Rinki. Thank you. Bye.